destination is on your right.
What's going on, you guys, and welcome to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day today. I am going to start this video out going with Andrew to LKQ Commercials, which I'm at right now. It's a junkyard, and I'm pretty sure that this is where I got my... Pretty sure this is where I got my 5.0 as well, so I'm actually really curious to see what's all in here and see if there's anything in here as well that I need. I'm here to help Andrew grab a rear end and just help him out, and then I'll see if there's anything that maybe they have a rear bumper that I might need, you know. I have $150 to play as far as like my rear bumper. They're gonna put a stock one back on there, but I want the GT 500 or the California Special one. So maybe they'll have one in the junkyard, and we'll go ahead and buy it. I'm gonna wait for Andrew to come, and we'll go from there. All right, there's Andrew. He finally arrived. There's a nice Corvette over there. That sounded pretty nasty when he came in. Hey, real quick, is this where I got my motor?
It's kind of like a different kind. This one's like pick and pull, but it's the same like company.
Oh, that's what I figured. Alrighty guys, this is what we came for. This car right here for the rear end. We're gonna take it out. These are our tools. 04 GT Mustang. Airbags are deployed. Oh, what the? Alrighty guys, we got what we came here for. Here, pop that open real quick. Boom, this is there.
Boom, shakalaka.
Let's go, baby. It's pretty clean. This took us about like 2 hours to take out.
Really, it's not a hard thing to do. It's just we're so limited in tools. It's super hot.
It is so hot, dude. And it's early in the morning too. I'm ready.
My neck is definitely sunburnt.
I'm ready to go.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we're pretty much set. Oh my gosh. Finally get to sit down. Alrighty guys, we got the whole rear end in the back of the truck. We are all set and done. That took us about almost 3 hours. I'm worn out. I'm pretty much dirty all around, but we're gonna go hit up Chipotle real quick, grab something to eat, and then after that we got some more car stuff to do. I gotta fix the gauges, oil change, headlight. I gotta fix everything, ready for Mustang week.
Every time I look at that car, it's just so sad. It's so sad. Yo, bro.
Sounds a little bit different than Ashley's, right?
Yeah. Every time I look at that rear end, I get sad. It sounds sick though. It sounds sick. Every time I look at the back end though, I'm like,
what?
Every time I look at the back end,
I know.
It's sad.
People comment it's an eyesore, bro. I'm heading on over to Orlando to get a new seat. I don't know if you guys could tell from previous videos, right here on my seat is ripped pretty good right in this area. Boom, right there. And that's pretty much it as far as like what's wrong with this seat. And I looked up if there was a warranty, because I got all of these seats like in here is like custom, it's like Katzkin. And I got it made from Orlando. So I looked to see if there's a warranty so that I could probably get this fixed before Mustang week. And it is under warranty, and that is what we're gonna go ahead and go do right now, is get a new seat. They have the new cushion and everything ready to go. I have to get there pretty early. It's 8 o'clock and I am not a morning person. So I think I'm gonna grab something to eat first and then head on over there, because I think I'm gonna be there for quite a while. So let's head on over there.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you react to me. So much differently. I am different. Every time that I look back, I see my future. Would you react to me?
Alrighty, you guys, we have made it. Classic designs right there, baby. Alright, let's go park real quick. Did not know that there was a bump right there. Alright, to get a better look at what we're trying to fix is this whole thing is getting replaced. It's, I reused the same seat, obviously, when I did it. They just restitched the leather onto the cushioning. So this is from factory, this is aftermarket, and I got all of these the same. So the passenger seat is like perfect, and the back is perfect as well because nobody really sits there. But obviously this is where I sit, so this is where it's worn out the most, and it's starting to rip a little bit right here as well. So I'll go ahead and fix all of that, and I wonder if she'll let me record or not inside. Let's go get that seat fixed. Alright, my car is over there. He's about to start it, and he said he's gonna take about an hour and a half to 2 hours to finish it, and I'm pretty sure they won't let me record, so I'll just show you guys afterwards when they're done. But right now I'm gonna head on over to Wawa right there and grab something to eat. Oh, he started it. And grab me like a sub or something, like a chicken tender sub. So hopefully this takes not as long as I think, but we'll see. Alrighty, boys, I think she's done. She's literally right there. Stupid truck or semi, whatever, but she's right there. Alrighty, you guys, we are all good. Dang, let's go. Oh, it's gonna get that new leather smell as well. Let's go, baby. Brand new, let's go. Dang, this is nice. Oh, let's go home. Oh wow, this even feels different. It's like I just got a whole new seat. I already just got home. Just wanted to show you guys one more time of the seat. If you guys were wondering what kind of seat this is, it is a Katzkin seat, and it's full leather. This I tried matching with the same color as my interior, which is like an ash color, ash dove gray or something, and then straight up black in the middle, and the headrest was also ash. I wanted to try and get that black, but I was like, that might be too much, but I think this looks good. Tell me what you guys think. So I got brand new seats, everything's good, ready to go to Mustang Week, other than, you know, this little mishap. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to smash the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit the button. And like always, guys, have a great day. Peace.